Well, would you be willing to enlist your baby in a COVID vaccine trial? Well, if so, now you have a chance. Rutgers University's got an ongoing clinical trial for children as young as 6 months. News 12 New Jersey's Chris Keating has more on this study that is being led out of New Brunswick.
Children who are 6 months to 4 years old. That's what this study being held at Rutgers-Robert Wood Johnson Medical School is in search of. These trials are helpful in seeking out the correct dosage for children, monitoring side effects of the vaccine, and tracking rates of infection. The study is in search of families who are willing to help.
The enrollment in this age group, unfortunately, has been very slow.
Dr. Sananda Gar says herd immunity nationwide is right at 60%. Vaccinating children for COVID-19, she says, will only help to increase that number.
We need to reach much higher, in order to really stop this virus in its track. And children make up a large proportion of the population. This is sort of the last age group that we really need to bring into the fold.
Rutgers was directly involved in clinical trials for the COVID-19 vaccine for adults, as well as children 5 to 11, before the FDA authorization was granted. Children are already receiving a regular regimen of vaccines, which include shots for rotavirus, DTaP, hepatitis B, and polio, among others. So with that in mind, this study of COVID-19 brings about a broader question. Will a vaccine be added to that list?
We don't know yet, is how I would answer. There's a lot we have to learn.
This clinical trial is a 2-year commitment for families that volunteer, and similar trials are right now going on in other states across the country. In New Brunswick, I'm Chris Keating, News 12 New Jersey.
And families interested in volunteering can be from New Jersey or out of state.